Hello, I'm Boris, Sky Streety's marketing assistant, and I want to tell you why you should hire him to help you elevate your organization and team to levels you didn't think were possible. What he does? Sky is a proven entrepreneur and success coach. His business experiences have proven to him the value of healthy organizational leadership. Starting in 2006, he began to devote himself to becoming a subject matter expert on this topic. From 2009 to 2011, he put those values to the test in turning a stagnant multi-million-dollar company into a profitable revenue machine. In 2014, he began coaching clients and has seen tremendous results. Here are 2 sample case studies. Signs you should hire Sky. Poor work-life balance amongst you and your team. Trust is absent, and it's costing you time and money. Maintaining staff or experience frequent employee turnover. Communication and clarity are lacking. Find yourself setting goals and never reaching them. Your business revenue is stagnant and you don't know why. Why Sky? In 2015, Sky began creating and delivering workshops and training for marketplace leaders in his area of expertise, healthy organizational leadership. These have been developed based on his 25 years as an entrepreneur and work with the John Maxwell team. The workshops and trainings incorporate ideologies from thought leaders such as Pat Lencioni, the Covey Group, Arbinger Institute, Michael Hyatt, and Simon Sinek, along with a few others. A few of Sky's past clients include Time Warner, Little Caesars, HomeAway, Fort Worth ISD, The Gold Law Firm, Luther Media, Mile High Express, Pinnacle Property Management, Cabeza Advertising, Sleep Cycle Centers, and Cone Resnick. How he does it. Sky delivers half and full day workshops and training for small to large groups in an energizing, interactive method based on the following subjects. The speed of trust. Everyone communicates, few connect. It starts with why. How to be a real success. The ideal team player. Leading from the middle. Developing the leader within. Living forward. Creating true success with work-life balance. Let's get started. Click here to schedule your free experience and discover more about yourself and your company in 60 minutes than you ever have.